y'all, welcome back. It's another rainy day here, but I have decided that I'm going to brave the storm and I'm gonna go and take all my red, white, and blue stuff off of my porch, get it up in the attic. I'm gonna lay it out and let it dry out, but I have plenty of room up in the attic that I can do that. And I want to go to Dollar Tree. I need some florals for the front porch. I don't like to spend a lot of money on those because they may or may not last. And that's fine. I feel better if I just spend a few dollars versus lots of dollars for florals. I usually like to pick them up at thrift stores if I can, but all the ones I've picked up, I've used in my booth. So I'm going to go run to Dollar Tree and pick up some fall florals. It's still going to be a while before I can get Mom's. We're just not there yet. But I can go ahead and like put out some pillows, put out some fall flowers in my little mailbox that I love to keep out there. Put some flowers in my little watering can. My ferns are awful this year. Their heat really got to them. Usually I can use my ferns all the way through fall, but they are so pitiful. They're horrible. So I think I may invest in some faux pumpkins from Hobby Lobby to go on my black planters to put on each side of my door. I tried Mom's in them last year. They did not work out at all. So I want to use them because I love them. So I'm thinking about the pumpkins. So we'll see. I also want to take the stuff off the back porch. I don't have much. And just go ahead and put the stuff out there. And that's my plan. That's what I want to do. So I think I'm not going to set up and film me taking all that off the front porch. I'll give you a before and after shot of me what it looks like before and then after I've taken it all off because it's raining. So I don't want to try to deal with all of that, but I mean, y'all don't need to see that. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? So I think that's what I'm fixing to go out there and do. And then go ahead and put that up in the attic and get that out of the way. And then I'm gonna run to Dollar Tree. We'll see. I haven't been in Dollar Tree in a while, so I'm anxious to see what they have. So we'll see. I'll catch up with you in a bit. So here's the before. And I'm going to take all of the red, white, and blue down and go ahead and get it up in the attic and go from there. Well, that's the start. I'm going to leave these out and then just add to them so I won't have to buy as many. I think that'll be fine. And it needs to be swept. Look at them pitiful ferns. But it's a start. Now that I am sufficiently hot, I'm going to run a couple errands. I'm going to go put my check in the bank. I'll run to Dollar Tree. So humid and muggy out here. I left my watch, but it's okay. I'll get it later. Anyway, let me get these errands around and I'll catch up with y'all and show you what I got, if I get anything. We'll see, but the porch looks much better, but I just need some fall florals now. Well, I was able to get a couple things for the porch at the thrift store, and then I got a couple other awesome things. One's for the booth, one is undecided. It's probably gonna be for the booth. I really don't have anywhere for it, but I'll share that when I get home. But I'm still going by Dollar Tree because I didn't get enough florals, but I did get some florals. So I'm excited about that. It means I don't have to get as much, and it's a better price at the thrift store if you can find them because they bundle it all up together for what 2 or 3 small bundles would be at the Dollar Tree. So let me head on over there. I may run in the Goodwill because it's next door. We'll see. But yay, it was a successful trip, and I bought 2 things that was very unexpected, but I'm glad I found them because I think it's going to go perfect with my fall front porch. All right, y'all, I've been home for a little while. Had to get me something to eat. And been up in the attic, and James and I was putting stuff up in the attic. Been on the back porch watching all the birds. Oh my gosh, my backyard has been covered in birds, and y'all know me, I love it. But I'm gonna share with y'all my thrift haul. But before I do, I ran into the Goodwill before I went into the Dollar Tree, and as I was walking in, Stephanie was walking out, and she was like, you're why I'm here. Anyway, we got talking, and she watches the channel, and I hate calling y'all subscribers, but she is subscribed to the channel, and they were down here visiting from Starkville, and we were talking about where they've been, telling her where she needs to be sure to go, and it was just such an honor to meet her and talk to her, and her husband took our picture, and I didn't get a picture. Stephanie, please email me a picture. I would love it. But yeah, it was so much fun. I was like, oh, I'm so glad I wore makeup today. Never mind, I'd been outside sweating before I went there, and I just got through eating peanut butter crackers. So I was like, oh. Anyway, Stephanie, it was so much fun meeting you and talking to you. I really enjoyed that, and I hope you've had a wonderful stay here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. All right, now let me get into my thrift haul. Y'all are not going to believe what I got. But first things first, I went there looking for florals, and I got these. Oh, they're caught up on the bag. Hold on. I got this whole big bunch of florals. I love this. Some of these are from Michael's. I think these are like from the Dollar Tree, which is fine because I couldn't find any like this. I don't really care for these. I don't like any of those that have the little styrofoam berries. I think it's a waste of money because they don't last, and I don't like them. But I may spray paint them and seal them in because to me they're just too corally right now. But anyway, I got this whole bundle right here for $2.99, so I thought that was a really good deal for all of these. And then I got these. I'm going to show you what they are. They are adorable, and I'm going to put these in my booth. These are actually perfect for fall, but these are little salt and pepper shakers, and they are made in Japan. I don't know if y'all can see that. But how cute would these be for fall? I love them. So I'm going to put them in my booth. I got this, and I want to keep it. But y'all know I don't got nowhere for it. So it's probably going to dip in my booth. But look at this. She was walking out, had her arms full of stuff, and was fixing to put stuff. I said, hey, is that teapot for sale? She said, it sure is. I was just fixing to put it out. I said, I want it. So I got it, and I love it. So how cute would this be if James made me a lamp out of it? Anyway, that's probably going to go in the booth. But I love it. Okay, and this next item, I'm kind of glad I went in the attic before I went to the thrift store because I probably wouldn't have bought these, but I picked these up. I paid $2.99 for the pair, and they are pillow covers. But I love this blue, and my pillows I have on the front porch have a little bit of blue in it, so I kind of wanted to play on that. Well, I had thrifted these, and I wasn't going to put them out, but when I saw these, I was thinking they would be perfect. Oh, they're going to be too big. Oh, well, we'll make them work. To go over these pillows to put on the front porch. So that's what I'm going to do with these. And they're going to go on the front porch. Okay, now I will share with y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I'm going to use it all, but I will share with you what I got. Just in case. I mean, I think we all know what Dollar Tree has, but some of y'all was telling me they have pheasant feathers, and I was like, yeah, but they're too short. And Sarah had sent me a picture of some, and they wasn't the right color, but then I found these. And they are too short, but I'm wondering, I might can make that work. But I got two things of the pheasant feathers. I liked these the best. So I found two like that with this color. The other ones were just too bright. But I may put these in my arrangement for outside. I got a yellow and like a orange and a lighter orange. I got some of these. I got 2 of those. I must really like them. I got these because they kind of mimic that, but have a little bit the orange. And then I got this because it has a little bit of that fern, and then this, and then I don't know what that is, and then this eucalyptus. So I think between these, and the other ones that I got, these, I will be able, look at, do I just look like fall goodness right there? Get down. Thumbnail. Anyway, I think that I'll be able to make some cute arrangements in my watering can and in my mailbox. So that's the plan. Now I want to see about, so they're just a little big, but I think I can kind of fold them down because they're going to be behind my other pillows. Let's see. And then sometimes when they fill out, it kind of helps. No, they're too big, but it's okay. No one's ever going to know. These are so cute, and I'll just kind of set them in my chair. These will be good for us to kind of lean back on. They were a little bit too big, but I think it'll be okay outside. So, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do with those. I'm going to go try them and see what I think about them. And I like that it's going to play off of the blue that's already in those pillows out there. I like that. So, let me go put these out there, and I'll show you what it looks like. Not the perfect shade of blue, but I think it'll be okay, and it'll definitely help our backs when we're sitting out here. I want to take my, holy moly, there's like 100 birds. Oh my gosh, look at all the birds. I think they must be building a nest in my bush right there. I don't know, but I ain't mad. I love them. I need to put me a bird feeder up here. Sure do. Anyway, I need to take this watering can in and put some fall picks in it. And I've put this over here like this. I don't know. We'll see, and I need to fix my mailbox. Arrangements are made. Mess is cleaned. I'm gonna go show you what they look like. Okay, much better. James did come out here and blow that off for me, but it's still nasty looking. But I took the dead ferns away, and I'll probably put mums and stuff in that. I just kind of set it in the barrel till I decide what I'm gonna do. This is a thrifted shower curtain that I use kind of like a throw. It's okay if it gets wet outside. I took the covers off the pillows, did not like them. Decided to do it like this instead, and I really like that. So, yeah. I'm not hating it. Kind of liking it. Much better. I like that much, much better. But here is the beautiful arrangement that I made with Thrifted and Dollar Tree florals. I think it is beautiful. And then here is the mailbox with Thrifted and Dollar Tree florals. So, there you go. I've decided I'll use the blue ones. I'll use these cushions, but with the blue covers during the summer. So, they'll go well with my summer decor. So, I've had several questions about this little shelf and how James built it for me. So, he is going to come in and explain to y'all how he did this. I know that your measurements will depend on the width of your stove top and your wall gap. That's all I know.
And the thickness of your controls.
Huh?
Thickness of your controls. All right, this backside surface is going to be vertical. Okay, They're going to level it up whenever it comes in. Thing you want to do though is to make sure that you've got this runner set to the thickness of this top control. Can you show them the top control? Okay. All right, this is the top side of the controls that I'm talking about. Okay, so that's going to dictate your gap from the face of this to the face of this.
Yeah.
All right, all this is just a little 3/4 inch spacer that's on there. what that's going to do is that's going to hook over the back. Now, when you hook it over the back, it's going to hold this part flush with the wall. You need to know the distance from the back of your stove to the back of your wall. That's the back of your stove to the back of your wall. Your wall.
Yeah. So
this can be solid throughout, but I just had a scrap that was there. Made it work.
this is actually the second one he made me. The first one he made me, we gave it to our daughter-in-law. And so he made me another one. And there you have it. And it just sits down there on that and gives me another spot to decorate.
And that's just standard 1x material. So, you know, nothing mystical, magical, anything else. You can actually use brads on this if you glue it to make it good and secure. If you want to put screws in it, that's fine. Nobody's ever going to see it.
Yep.
Pre-drill them, countersink them, make it look nice. But that's all it is. Distance from the back of your stove to the wall. Back of your stove to the wall.
Thank you, James.
All right.
So hopefully y'all understood that and you'll be able to get you one made. And I stained the whole thing. You don't have to. Nobody's going to see the underneath, but I know it. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to put all my goodies back on there, and I really hope this helped y'all out. And there you go. You have a cute little place you can use for decor. You could put your spices up there, whatever you wanted to do, but I chose to decorate mine. It just gives me another little spot. So I hope this helped you out. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. This video was kind of getting kind of long, so I went ahead and just stopped it here and just made it its own complete video. Got quite a bit accomplished today, and I'm excited about it. So thank y'all, as always, for just being here, for hanging out with me. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.